morning and welcome to our Facebook Live event. I am Dennis Day with John L. Scott Real Estate Lynnwood, and we've got a great property to share with you. I'm with my partner here, co-host William Tan. He's also with John L. Scott Lynnwood. And we're going to share a really fantastic property with you. And we have some information about mortgage lending and interest rates. We have some properties that we can, alternatives to the main open house we're going to share. And we have a gift card drawing for anybody who is here. Okay, so let's get going. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to talk about this Lynnwood property on our virtual open house.
Sounds fun. Let's go take a look. See the screen? So here's your wonderful scenic view from way up high. Scroll down. And there is your beautiful home. So it is 3 beds, 2.5 baths with a 2-car garage. It's in a nice little neighborhood, very quiet, very, not close to any major streets. So, and when you walk in the front door, you get your beautiful staircase. You have a formal living room to your right, which can also double as a dining room if you so choose. Plenty of light, lots of windows. Walking towards the back of the house, you have a little alcove area for additional storage. There's a little wine cellar there, or wine rack. Walking into your main kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances. They all stay. You have a kitchen island. You have an island in the middle with a kitchen sink in there. Looking straight ahead, there's a door with your pantry. There's a little side desk over there as well. From the kitchen, from the kitchen, looking in towards the den, you see it's a very large space, beautiful tray ceilings, recessed lighting, built-in fireplace. The bookshelves on the sides of both are also stained. And we have beautiful laminate floors throughout. And again, plenty of windows, lots of light for everybody. And this is the other way looking towards the kitchen. So you could also put another kitchen table in that area, as well as more seating. To the right, you can see another half bath for the main floor. And we'll get a closer view over here. Very functional, exactly what you need. Quick powder room. Opposite of the half bath is your washer and dryer. Both stay, and it's already plumbed for a utility sink if you so choose. Through the doors past the washer and dryer is your garage, and we'll take a look at that in 1 second. That's the view from your beautiful garage. It's a 2-car garage, very well maintained, very nice, new, plenty of space for storage. And now we are upstairs. So upstairs here to the right of the staircase is a open landing, den, sitting, kids area, bonus space basically. So whatever you feel like, putting up there, it's your choice. Walking over, you have your first full bath for the 2 additional bedrooms, excuse me. It's got a single sink, nicely remodeled. And to the left of that is your double door French door master suite. It's a very large master suite. It faces the back of the house. So all you're seeing is the green belts. There are no neighbors around there. You still get plenty of light though. It's perfectly positioned for the sunlight. Moving on to the 5-piece master bath. You have double sinks, you have a bathtub, stand-up shower, and you have a walk-in closet with built-in shelves. Straight ahead, you can see the double sinks on your left. The door is to the commode. To the right, you can see the walk-in closet. We'll get a closer view of that. These are all custom shelves. Obviously, they're staying. Opposite of your master, to the right of it, is additional storage that the current owners have put in and they're going to leave. So there's lots of space for linens and anything, other knickknacks you might have to put away. and your 2 additional bedrooms. Very nicely sized. Both bedrooms get really good light, as you can see. It's got the closets. And here is the other bedroom of 3. Very good size, double windows in this room. So still, again, plenty of light throughout the whole house. And then looking back towards the bottom of the staircase, it's very nice and open. You get lots of airflow through, good lighting, again. And here we are in the back deck. Deck is about 4 or 5 feet wide. It's good for barbecues. You can put a couple of chairs out there. But the real bonus is your side yard, which is very large for a pre-built home. I mean, look at all that space you have there. It's got relatively new fence, very private, and very level, perfect for children's playgrounds or a fire pit if you so choose. And here we get a final little view of the home. Very nicely well maintained, beautiful roof, beautiful neighborhood, super quiet. Just waiting for you to move on in. There you go, Dennis. Back to you.
Yeah, it's a move-in ready home. You don't have to know, nothing to repair, nothing to fix. You just move your furniture and you are set.
Definitely turnkey.
I'm going to share the screen again with our, and okay. Let's go. Here's our information, and we'll go over that again at the end of our session. So we just saw the home at 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, almost 2,500 square feet, 5,000 square foot lot, Northwest Craftsman style, fully fenced corner lot in the Hilltop Ridge neighborhood in what we call Alderwood Manor at 678. Let's talk buyer financing. All right, what are the current interest rates for a 30-year fixed mortgage? Well, most of the lenders now, it's under 3%. Amazing, historic lows, never been lower. And how does this compare to, say, January, start of our year? Well, in January 2020, the interest rates were about 4.5%. How does that save you money going with these low interest rates? Well, it's going to save you a lot of money per month. You can see our chart here in January. A $500,000 home at 4.5% would have been $2,500 a month and $912,000 in the total cost of the loan. In July, same price home, 3%. We're looking at $400 less per month. And look at the difference in price in the total cost of the loan. Now in August, 2.75, $22,000, just barely over $2,000. It's going to save you almost $6,000 a year because of these low interest rates. Now, the interest rate you get will depend on your credit and how much you put down and all those sorts of things. But we have a fabulous Priority Home Lending, works with John L. Scott, and they are fabulous. Lots better than the big banks because they're going to find the loan that fits you perfectly. They've got loans of 5% down, 3% down, and even a state program where as little as 0% down. Now, Dave's a master at this, so you would have to talk to him. We can send that information to you anytime. All right. Let's look at some other listings. We've got one up in Everett, and this is 5-bedroom, 1.75 bath, 2,200 square foot on a half-acre lot. Now, the nice thing about this, you've got a house, but you've also got it zoned at R2 in Everett, which means you can subdivide this into 3 lots. All right. Are you interested in maybe living in a home and then building your own dream house, or subdividing, selling the lots to a builder, and you can really cut down on the cost of your home in the long run? Got another one in Kenmore, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 4,400 square feet, 1,540 square, 400 square foot lot, stunning architecture. It's got a second kitchen in the lower level that could be used as a mother-in-law or even a rental at 814,900. And do you want to talk about this Newcastle one there, William? Because you've been in this one.
Sure, I'm actually doing an open house one in 5 more minutes, but it is 3 beds, 2 baths. It's got 2,000 square feet. It looks like a split, but it lives like a rambler. There's additional storage beneath the house. Giant lot, 13,000 square foot lot, and you can get views of Lake Washington, which is very, very nice. In the summer, it's a peekaboo view. In the winter, you get a really, really expansive view of the whole lake. House is beautiful, lots of light again, and lots of space for a single rambler style home.
And it's in Newcastle, which is really a desirable area. Great resale values.
Yep. And it's listed at $849, so good price.
And we saw the home at Lynnwood, showing you some amazing interest rates and how much money it can save you. You saw a few alternate listings, so let's wrap this up. William and I really want to be your realtor, so if you have questions, call us at any time. I'll get that info up here. And we are full service real estate, and you have the power of John L. Scott, one of the top companies in the United States. Per transaction, nobody sells more than John L. Scott in the United States. So that's about it. Do you have anything else you want to share there, William?
No, I just appreciate everybody joining us, and you know, we're available whenever you need us. We can answer any questions you have. Don't hesitate. No question is stupid. But yeah, you know, it's a very hot market now, so you know, we're here to help ease your apprehension about buying your homes, especially if it's your first home. We're here to help. So give us a call.
Okay. And we're here to make this as easy of a process as possible. Whether you're buying or selling, we're going to be right there with you the entire step of the way. All right, we have a drawing, and since it will go to
Dennis.
Manish is going to be our winner of the gift card. Manish, I'll be sending you an email with $10 gift card to Starbucks. Treat yourself. And thank you for joining us. We're right here. Oh,
enjoy your day.
We had another person. Oh, I'm gonna stop.
Oh no, I texted you. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Let's just stop it. Yeah, I told you I gotta run.